Here we will see methods in class in PHP. In PHP, methods are functions inside the classes. Their declaration and behavior are almost similar to normal functions except their special use inside the class. As we define the properties in a class, we can define member functions in a class. These functions can then be called from an object. The functions which are declared in a class are called methods. These functions can be public, private, or protected. When you define a function as a public, this method can be accessed from outside of the class. When you define a function as a private, no access is granted from outside the class. And when you define a function as protected, no access is granted from outside the class except a class that's child of a class with the protected property or method. A valid method name starts with a letter or underscore followed by any number of letters, numbers, or underscores. The method body enclosed within a pair of braces which contains code. The opening curly brace indicates the beginning of a method and the closing curly brace indicates the termination of the method. If the method is not defined by public, protected, or private, then by default it is a public. The general syntax for defining a method is: first, declare a class, and under class define public, function, and the method name and the parameter list, and after opening curly bracket give the implementation code and then close the braces. To call a method, first create an object of a class and then using object operator call the method. The parenthesis with the method contains the argument as usual. For example, object, then object operator and then method name. Here we will write a PHP script with functions to print sum of two numbers. So first we will add a file and we will save it as print total.php. First we will write HTML tag, then we will write title tag, then we will write body tag, and we will write PHP tag. Here first we will define a class and then we will define a function total. Then we will define three variables: a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and c equal to a plus b, and we will print it. Then we will create object of our class with new keyword and we will call the method from that class with object operator. Then we will check Apache server is started and we will open the browser, and here we will call the script print total. It will print sum of two numbers 30.